Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi. Excuse me. Do you know where I can find the pasta?
Oh, hi. Yes, it's in aisle 5, just around the corner.
Thank you so much. This is my first time shopping here, and I feel a bit lost.
No problem. This store is quite big, so it's easy to get confused.
It really is. By the way, I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you, Emma. I'm Tom. Are you shopping for anything special?
Yes, I'm planning to make spaghetti for dinner tonight. What about you?
I'm just grabbing a few things for the week, mostly fruits, vegetables, and some snacks.
That's smart. Do you cook often?
Yes, I like cooking. It's relaxing, and I can try new recipes. How about you?
I enjoy cooking too, but I usually stick to simple meals like pasta or salads.
Pasta is always a good choice. Do you make your own sauce?
Not yet. I just use the store-bought ones for now. Maybe I'll try making it from scratch someday.
You should. It's not as hard as it sounds, and it tastes much better.
That's good to know. What's your favorite dish to cook?
I love making stir-fried vegetables with chicken. It's quick, healthy, and delicious.
That sounds great. Do you use a lot of spices?
A little bit, but not too much. I like to keep the flavors simple.
That's a good idea. Do you shop here often?
Yes, this is my go-to store. It has everything I need, and the prices are pretty good. What about you?
I usually shop at a smaller store near my apartment, but they don't have as many options.
That makes sense. This place is great for variety.
It really is. Thanks again for helping me find the pasta, Tom.
No problem, Emma. If you need help finding anything else, just let me know.
So, Tom, do you have a favorite dish that you like to cook?
Yes, I love making homemade pizza. It's fun to prepare the dough and choose the toppings. What about you?
Pizza sounds amazing. I haven't tried making it at home yet, but I'd love to. My favorite dish to cook is spaghetti with meatballs. It's simple but so tasty.
That's a classic. Do you add any special ingredients to your spaghetti?
Sometimes I add a little bit of garlic and fresh basil. It makes the sauce taste fresher.
That's a great idea. I might try that next time. Have you ever had a cooking disaster?
Oh, plenty. One time I tried to bake a cake, but I forgot to add the eggs. It turned out like a brick.
That's hilarious. I've had my fair share of disasters too. Once I burned rice so badly that I had to throw the pot away.
That's so relatable. Cooking can be tricky sometimes, but it's also so rewarding when it turns out well.
Absolutely. Do you like trying new recipes?
Yes, I do. I usually find recipes online or watch cooking videos. What about you?
Same here. I like experimenting with new dishes, especially from different cuisines. Recently, I tried making Thai green curry.
That sounds delicious. Was it hard to make?
Not too hard, but getting the right balance of flavors was tricky. It turned out pretty good though.
I'd love to try making something like that. Thai food has such amazing flavors.
It does. What's your favorite type of cuisine?
I love Italian food. Pasta, pizza, risotto. I can't get enough of it.
Italian food is the best. I also enjoy Mexican food. Tacos and guacamole are my favorites.
Oh, I love guacamole. Do you make it yourself?
Yes, it's super easy. You just need avocados, lime, salt, and a little bit of garlic or onion.
That sounds simple. I'll try it next time. Do you enjoy eating out or cooking at home more?
I like both, but cooking at home feels more satisfying. You can adjust everything to your taste. What about you?
I agree. Eating out is fun, but cooking at home is healthier and more budget-friendly.
Exactly. Do you ever cook with your family or friends?
Sometimes, my best friend and I like to try new recipes together. It's always fun, even if it doesn't turn out perfect.
That's great. Cooking together makes it more enjoyable. Maybe someday we can exchange recipes.
I'd love that. So, Tom, do you do any exercise to stay healthy?
Yes, I try to stay active. I go jogging 3 times a week. It's a great way to start the day. What about you?
I like yoga. It helps me relax and stay flexible. I try to do it every morning for about 30 minutes.
That's awesome. I've heard yoga is really good for your body and mind. Do you follow online videos or do you go to a class?
I usually follow online videos. It's more convenient, and I can do it at home. Have you ever tried yoga?
A few times, but I'm not very flexible, so it was a bit challenging.
That's okay. Flexibility improves with practice. Do you do any other exercises?
Yes, I also play soccer with my friends on weekends. It's a fun way to stay active and socialize.
That sounds like so much fun. Do you play at a park?
Yes, there's a small field near my house where we meet every Saturday afternoon.
That's great. Do you ever join any sports events or races?
I ran a 5K race last year, and it was such a good experience. I'm thinking about joining another race soon.
That's impressive. I've never run a race before, but it sounds exciting.
You should try it. It's not just about running. The atmosphere is so motivating.
Maybe I will. I need to work on my endurance first, though. Running for a long time is hard for me.
It's hard for everyone at first. I started with short runs and slowly increased the distance.
That's a good idea. Do you follow any special diet to stay healthy?
Not really, but I try to eat balanced meals with lots of vegetables and fruits. I also avoid too much junk food.
That's smart. I try to eat healthy too, but I have a sweet tooth. It's hard to resist desserts.
Same here. I love chocolate, but I only treat myself occasionally.
That's good self-control. Do you drink a lot of water?
Yes, I carry a water bottle everywhere. Staying hydrated is so important.
I need to do that more often. I sometimes forget to drink enough water during the day.
A reusable water bottle helps. It's a good reminder to stay hydrated.
That's a great tip. Do you have any fitness goals for the future?
Yes, I'd like to try a half marathon someday. What about you?
I want to join a yoga retreat. Spending a weekend focusing on health and relaxation sounds amazing.
That does sound amazing. I think it's great that we both enjoy staying healthy in different ways.
Absolutely. It's all about finding what works for you.
Well, Emma, it's been really nice talking to you. I didn't expect to have such a fun conversation while shopping for groceries.
Same here, Tom. I've learned so much about cooking and staying active from you.
Thanks. By the way, have you ever thought about joining a cooking class?
Not yet, but it sounds like a great idea. Do you know any good ones?
Yes, there's a class at the community center every Saturday afternoon. They teach simple but delicious recipes.
That sounds perfect. Would you like to join me there next weekend?
Sure, that would be fun. We can practice our cooking skills together.
Awesome! Let's meet at the community center at 2 p.m.
Sounds good. And maybe after the class, we can share our dishes and see whose tastes better.
Deal. Thanks for the suggestion, Tom. I'm looking forward to it.
Me too, Emma. Have a great day and enjoy making your spaghetti tonight.
Thanks. You too. Enjoy your stir fry. See you next Saturday.
See you.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.